We are taking the S15 Silvia for a car wash, and the new addition that it doesn't want to start, but it started. Let's jump in the 15 and take it for a cruise. Go. There goes Paul. The new addition to the JDM family, but we didn't discuss which car wash we're gonna go to, so let's just cruise the 15 while we're at it. Let's open the window, right in the middle of the road. This is what it's like to own a S15. It is a blissful feeling because this car drives so damn amazing. Oh, there's the 13 right there ahead of us. Let's try catch it. Oh, hello. That was just a 4th gear pull, nothing major. Car's not boosting a lot, so it's chill. And that's what it looks like inside. It's not so bad. I think Paul's going to the wrong car wash, because but anyways, we'll go to this car wash because we can have breakfast at least. Well, that's a good thing. I haven't tuned the car, but I can see it's puffing out black smoke. It means it's overfueling quite a bit, which is not a bad thing. Car wash time! That was not a long ass drive at all. Here we go. There's Paul.